Okay guys, I am recording a video that will hopefully help us be able to use our technology and turn in assignments. And one of the things that we were working through this morning is how do we turn in those external tool assignments where they're going to be editing Google Docs, Google Slides, and we had a little bit of an issue with it this morning. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out and I'm going to sign back in and try to show you guys everything that you need to have in order to, and up and running in order to do these assignments. And so one of the homeworks for my Digital Academy kids tonight is going to be watching this video and trying to run through and do the understanding characters in conflict and assignment, which is on the banks of Plum Creek that we were working on during our ELA block. So I'm going to log in as a student. Thank you, Josie, for letting me use you. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So I can see that I'm signed in as Josie over here. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make sure that I have my email up and going, because our email is going to connect us to our Google Drive, where all of these assignments are actually going to be sitting for us. So I'm going to make sure that I'm logged in, and it automatically defaults to my school as a teacher. So I'm going to make sure I'm logged in off to the side as Josie. And I can tell that I am because it's her picture now in the corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to this tab, School Passport. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to bring up my Canvas. And I've got to make sure that it logs in as Josie, and it did. So this is Josie's account. And from there, you have two options. You can go to Attendance Hayes, and I have links there. Or Miss Hayes says this is independent practice time. I'm going to go to my Language Arts and find my assignment there. And I know I can just click on Assignments. That's a quick little shortcut. And Understanding Characters and Setting on the Banks of Plum Creek. I'm going to click on this, and it's going to load for me on this page. And I am going to be able to, I'm going to see if I can scroll this page down any further. I'm going to be able to edit this. And let's see if I can share my screen a little bit more. Okay, so you can see I said, thanks for letting me use your account, Josie. That's what I did. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to edit this. Who's the main character? We know that Laura is the main character, and I'm going to make sure I'm answering in complete sentences of this story. The reason I know this is because ... Okay, so I've got all my questions answered. I'm ready to turn it in. I'm looking at the top, and there is this blue submit button right here. I'm going to click submit. Okay? And okay, we're going to say got it. And you can see now it says you submitted it September 2nd at 9:38 a.m. Now let's say you say, oh man, I didn't scroll far enough and I didn't realize there was a number 4. Well, it's saved everything that I've done before. I can go back in and I can say, okay, how was the the problem was fixed because ... and then I can click submit again. Now I have an updated submission, okay? And that's how you do it. And so our kids need to be able to toggle back and forth between the School Passport, the Canvas, which is the red circle, and then their Gmail, which is the M envelope for the Gmail suite. I hope this helps, and I hope that means that everybody's able to get this assignment turned in to Mrs. Hayes today. Thanks, that's it for now.